Hi everyone. Now we'll deal the problem based upon the assignment techniques. If the problem is given with the help of assignment method, how you will solve this one. So here, somewhat question is given like this. There are 5 jobs. How many jobs are there? 5 jobs to be assigned. Okay, na? To be assigned. Assigned means you have to allocate it, this job for this person, this job for this person, like this. On the 5 machines, associate cost, the value is equal to is given. Here A, B, C, D, E is given, machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4 and machine pi is given. Machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4 and pi is given, and like this value is also given. What is the value? First one is thus 11, then 7, then 17, then 8, then 16, then what is the value? 20. Next one is the 9, next one is the 7, then 12, then 6, and this one is the 15. Next value is 13, then this is the 16. Okay, na? 13 is given, 16 is given, next value is 15. After that 12 is given, next 16 is given. This question will be given. Okay, na? The values are given in your question. Next one is the 21, next one is the 24, next one is the 17, next one is the 28, next one is the 26, next one is the 14, next one is the 10, next one is the 12, next one is the 11, next one is the 15. Like this will be given. 11, 17, 8, 16, 20, 9, 7, 12, 6, 15, 13, 16, 15, 12, 16, 21, 24, 17, 28, 26, 14, 10, 12, 11, 15. These values are given. So what you have to do? First you have to perform the row operation. What you have to do? You have to perform the row operation. Question will be given. Find the optimum assignment and associate cost by using the assignment technique. So you have to find out two things. Find the optimum assignment for whom you are assigning, and associate cost by using the assignment technique. So what you have to do? You have to go for the row operation, then you have to go for the column iteration. So first this is row and this one is the column. First one what is given? Row is given, and second one what is given? Column is given. So as you can see the in question the values are given. Okay, na? In question the values are given A, B, C, D, E, F, and machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4. So as you can see here, this is machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4, machine 5. This is A, B, C, D, E. So first you have to go for which operation? Column iteration. Which iteration? Column iteration. Okay, na? Row iteration. Column. This is second one is the column iteration. First one is the row iteration. In row iteration you have to check. Okay, na? Here 11 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 60 is there, 20 is there. Which one is the least value in among these 3, among these 5? Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which one is the least value among these 5? As you can see here, 8 is the least value. So 11 minus 8, 17 minus 8, 8 minus 8, 16 minus 8 and 20 minus 8. So here 11 minus 8. Okay, na? 11 minus 8 value is 3. Next one is the 9. Next one is the 8 minus 8 is 0. Next one is the 16 minus 8 is 8. Next one is 20 minus 8 is 12. So we completed the first row. I completed the first row. Next one is the, as you can see, the row 2. 9, 7, 12, 6, 15. In this, which one is the least value? 9, 7, 12, 6, 15. So which one is the least value? 6th is the least value. 6th is the least value. So 9 minus 6, 7 minus 6, 12 minus 6, 6 minus 6 and 15 minus 6. So here 9 minus 6. Okay, na? 9 minus 6. So 9 minus 6 is equal to how much? 3. Next one is the 7 minus 6. How much it is? 1. Next one is the 12 minus 6. How much it is? 6. Then 6 minus 6. How much it is? 0. Next one is the 15 minus 6. How much it is? 9. So here you got the row 2. First you got the row 1. Next you got the row 2. After that you have to see the row 3. After that you have to see the row 3. Okay, na? R3. So here 13, 16, 15, 12, 16. 13, 16, 15, 12 and this is 16. Which one is the least value? 12 is the least value. 13 minus 12, 16 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 12 minus 12, 16 minus 12. So here 13 minus 12. How much you got? 13 minus 12. So 1. Then next one is the 4. Next one is the 3. Next one is the 0. Next one is the 4. After that you have to go for the D, okay na, in D 21, 24, 17, 28, 26, 21, 24, 17, 28, 26. So which one is the least value? 21, 24, 17, 28 and 26. 17 is the least value. So 21 minus 17, 24 minus 17, 17 minus 17, 28 minus 17 and 26 minus 17. So if you subtract 21 minus 17, so you will get 21 minus 17. So you will get here 4. Next one is the 24 minus 17, okay no, 7. Next one is the 17 minus 17, 0. Then 28 minus 17, 11. And here you can write the 9. After that what you have to do, next value is 14, 10, 12, 11, 15. 14, 10, 12, 11, 15. So which one is the least value? 10. 14 minus 14 minus 10, 10 minus 10, 12 minus 10, 11 minus 10 and 15 minus 10. So 14 minus 10. So how much it will be? 4. Next one is the 0. Next one is the 2. Next one is the 1. Next one is the 5. Like this you have to subtract. After that you have to go for the row iteration. You have to go for the row iteration. In row iteration, as you can see here, machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4 and machine 5. Machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 4, machine 5 and as A, B, C, D, E. This is the person. So here in column iteration what you have to do? You have to select the least value. Which one is the least value? 3, 3, 1, 4, 4. So as you can see, which one is the least value? 1 is there. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 4 minus 1, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, right? Now, next one, 9, 1, 4, 7, 0. Here you got the 0. So 9 minus 0 same, 1 minus 0, 4 minus 0. So here you can write same, 9, 1, 4, 7 and here you can write the 0. Next, after that what you have to do, after getting that value, what you have to do? Next one, third column, here 0 is there, so write down as it is 0, 6, 3, 0 and this one is the 2. Next one, here 8, 0, 0, 11 and this one is the 1. Now next one is the least value. Which one is the least value? As you can see, 12, 9, 4, 9, 5. So 4 is the least value. 12 minus 4, 9 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 9 minus 4, 5 minus 4. So here you will get 8. Next one is the 5. Next one is the 0. Next one is the 5. Next one is the 1. Now you have to go for the assignment. Now next rule is you have to go for the assignment. For assigning, what you have to do, suppose if you assign 1 0 in that row, in that column you can't assign, in that row or in that column you can't assign that one. So what you have to do, first you have to assign the row 1, second you have to assign the row 2, then you have to assign the row 3, then you have to assign the row 4, then you have to assign the row 5. This is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4 and this is row 5. So where you have to assign? First you have to assign here in row 1. Suppose if you assign here in that row or in that column, if you find any 0 you have to cancel. Where you assign in? If you assign here, so in that row or in that column if you find 0 you have to cancel. Now R1 is completed, then go for the R2 and R2. Suppose if you want to assign here, okay na, so in that row, in that column if you find 0 you have to cancel. If you find 0 you have to cancel. Now in third row, if you assign here, so in that row or in that column if you find 0 you have to cancel. In fourth row you can't assign, in fifth row you can assign, in the fifth row you can assign. So here you have to check how many columns you assign, as you can see here, C1 column 1 is assigned, column 2 is also assigned, column 3 is also assigned, column 4 is assigned, but here column 5 is unassigned. Column 5 is unassigned. As you can see, column 1 is assigned, column 2 is assigned, column 3 is assigned, column 4 is assigned, column 5 is unassigned. So what you have to do, with the minimum number of lines, you have to cut the maximum zeros. With the minimum number of lines, you have to cut the maximum zero. But it is compulsory to take one vertical. No, you can take one vertical, you will get the easy solution. So here I am taking this one as a one vertical. Okay, now this one is the one vertical, this one is the one vertical, this one is one. Then here this is the second line, and this one is the third line, and the last one is the fourth line. So this is first line, this is second line, this is third line, and this is fourth line. One vertical is there, on all remaining are horizontal are there. Okay, now one vertical is there and all remaining are horizontal. This is the vertical, remaining all are horizontal. One is the vertical, remaining all are horizontal. So what you have to do now, the thing is that wherever you are finding box, in that box you have to select the least one. So here, as you can see, this is the 2, 9, 8, 8, 3, 7, 11, 5, 2, 9, 8, 8, 3, 7, 11, 5. Which one is the least term? 2. So what you have to do? You have to select that 2. What you have to do? You have to select that 2. So what you have to do? You have to select that 2. After selecting that 2, you selected what number you are selected? You selected the 2. What you selected here? You selected the number 2. So wherever you are getting box, what you have to do? Subtract 2. And wherever you are getting plus line, what you have to do? Double line, you have to plus 2. And wherever you are getting single line, what you have to write? Same. What you have to write? Same. You have to remember this concept. What is the concept? Wherever you are getting box, you have to subtract 2, and wherever you are getting double line, you have to plus 2, and wherever you are getting single line, you have to write same. So as you can see here, if you want see here what is there? Box is there. So 2 minus 2, 9 minus 2. Here box is there now. So 2 minus 2, 9 minus 2. So 2 minus 2, how much it will be? 0. Then 9 minus 2, how much it will be? Next 9 minus 2, how much it will be? 7. And you can see here single line is there. Single line means what you have to do? Write the 0 as it is. Okay, na, single line. Then here box is there. So this one will become 6, and this one will also become 6. Box is there. Box means minus 2. Box means minus 2. So clear. Now the next one, next B. Okay, na, here single line is there as it is. Here single line is there as it is. Here double line is there. Wherever you are finding double line, what you have to do? Plus 2. So this one will become 8. This one will become 8. Single line 0. Single line as it same. Single line same or as it is. So here also same, and this one is also same. Here also same, and this one is also same. Now the next step. What you have to do? C3, as you can see, single line. In C3, what is there here? Single line. So single line as it is, single line as it is. Here which line is there? Double line. Double line means 3 plus 2. How much it is? 5. Now after that, single line as it is, single line as it is. So this is single line, and this one is also single line. So wherever you are finding single line, you have to write the as it is. Now after that, what you have to do? Now D. What is there? Box minus 2. What is there? Box minus 2. So 3 minus 2, how much it will? 1. 7 minus 2, how much it is? 5. After that, single line, you have to write the as it is. Then here box is there. Box means minus 2. Then box means minus 2. How much it will be? 3. Then after that, what is this? Single line as it is, single line. And you can see here double line is there. Double line means 2 plus 2. How much it is? 4. And here single line as it is, single line as it is. Like this you have to assign. Okay, now like this you have to do. First you have to, in that box you have to select the least value. After selecting that least value, you have to do, wherever you are finding box, you have to subtract 2. Wherever you are getting double line, you have to plus 2. And wherever you are getting single line, you have to write the same. Again you have to go for the assignment. After writing this one, what you have to do? You have to go for the assignment. For that assignment, what you have to do? Write the table as it is. Okay, now. So whatever you are getting, first row is 07066. So here you can write 0 7 0 6 6 0 7 0 6 6. Next one is the 2 1 8 0 5. Next one is the 0 4 5 0 0. Next one is the 1 5 0 9 3. Next one is the 3 0 4 1 1. Okay, na? Like this will be given. Okay, na? Given means whatever the you solve previous one, that one only you have to write. Okay, na? That one only you have to write. Again you have to go for the assignment. Okay, na? Again in this what you have to do? Again you have to go for the assignment. For assignment again what you have to do? See here, in first row here you got the 0. So here what you have to do? Assign in that row or in that column. If you finding any 0 you have to cancel. Okay, na? You assign here. So in that row or in that column if you find any 0 you have to cancel. Now second one you assign here. In that row or in that column if you find any 0 you have to cancel. Now third you assign here. Okay, na? In that row or in that column if you find any 0 you have to cancel. Next one fourth you assign here. In that row or in that column if any 0 is there, cancel. Then fifth you assign here. So in that row, in that column if you find any 0 you have to cancel. Now you have to check how many columns are assigned. As you can see, column 1 is assigned, column 2 is also assigned, column 3 is also assigned, column 4 is also assigned, column 5 is also assigned, column 1 assigned, column 2 assigned, column 3 assigned, column 4 assigned, and column 5 is also assigned. So here all the rows and columns are assigned. Then which term is assigned to which one? Okay, now which term is assigned to which one? That one you have to write. Okay, now so what you have to do means, as you can see here, C1 A is assigned to which one? Machine 1. A is assigned to which one? Machine 1. So like this you have to write. Okay, na? A is assigned to which one? A is assigned to machine 1. How many hours? In question it is given how many hours? 11 hours. A is assigned to machine 1. How many hours? 11 hours. Now as you can see, B is assigned to machine 4. B is assigned to machine 4. In question what is the value here? That one you have to write. In question what is the value here? That one you have to write. So here as you can see, B is assigned to machine 4. What is the value? 6 hours. How many hours? 6 hours. From where you got this 6? From your question you got this value 6. Okay. Now machine C. Machine C is assigned to C is assigned to machine 5th. C is assigned to machine 5th. C is assigned to machine 5th. So here C is assigned to machine 5th. How many hours are there? 16 hours. C is assigned to machine 5th. How many hours are there? 16 hours. Okay, na? From where you get this 16? From question you got the value of 16. In that position what is the value? In this position question what is the value? That one you have to write. Then in machine D is assigned to the machine 3. 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 How many hours? 17 hours. D is assigned to the machine 3. How many hours? 17 hours. How many hours are there? 17 hours. So from where you got this 17? From the question you got the value of 17. You have to write in terms of hour. Then the last one, E. E is assigned to the machine 2. E is assigned to the machine 2. So here E is assigned to the machine 2. How many hours? 10 hours. E is assigned to the machine 2. How many hours? 10 hours. After getting this one, what you have to do? 11 plus 6 plus 16 plus 17 plus 10. If you add all this, how much you will get? 60 hours. How much you are getting here? 60 hours. Like this you have to find out the total cost of the assignment. Okay, na? Total cost of the assignment, and where you have to assign. A is assigned to machine 1. B is assigned to machine 4. C is assigned to machine 5. D is assigned to machine 3, and E is assigned to machine 2. In A, machine 1 place 11 hours is there, here 6 hours is there, here 16 hours is there, here 17 hours is there, here 10 hour is there, and here 60 hours is there. The combination of this one is equal to how much? 60 hours is there. Like this you have to find out. Okay na? Like this you have to find out.